How to log out from Facebook app Android. Hey guys, in this short tutorial I'll show you how to easily log out of the Facebook app on your Android device. Logging out of your Facebook account is important for privacy and security reasons, especially if you're using a shared device. Luckily, logging out is a quick and straightforward process that anyone can do. To get started, first of all you need to open your Facebook account. Tap on Facebook. Once you open Facebook, then tap on these three horizontal lines on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the menu page, scroll down to the very bottom and now you'll see the logout button. Just tap on it and then click on logout. And now you've successfully logged out of your Facebook account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any question about the whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.